What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Volks TV. We're gonna build something today. I feel the need to fabricate. I'm not much of a fabricator, but I got something that I want to build. I saw a picture on the internet today, and it makes me want to build something quick and easy, so we can have something cool. And what that super cool thing is this cool little trailer. This is a Phoenix one-wheel trailer. I've had this thing for, I don't know, a few years, I don't know. I bought it from a friend of mine. They're pretty rare. I think there's like less than 20 that were ever made, as far as the website goes. Could be true, I don't know. Maybe there's more, I don't know. But there's 12 known or 15 known. And this is one of them. This one is recently found up in the Fort Worth area. But I don't have any brackets to mount it to the Mustangs. I don't have any brackets to mount it to the Ghia. I have some pieces that I can use to mount it to the bus bumper, but I don't want to tow it behind the bus. I got that camper, I got that little utility trailer. Mustangs, right? Ruining everything, those Mustangs. So I think it looks good behind this little Ghia. I want to run it back here. Can't really put anything in it because it's impossible to get anything out of it. But it looks cool. It's interesting. It'll be fun for shows and stuff. So we're gonna make some little brackets today to mount them, to mount this trailer to that Ghia bumper, and it is super challenging. And I'm gonna zoom down here in a second, and I'm gonna show you why it's super challenging. Let's go. So on a Ghia, the bumper is really, really close to the body, like really, really close. And that deck lid opens really, really close to the bumper. That is tight. So the problem is there's nowhere for me to put a bracket. You know, I got a nut back here, and I got one on the front, a carriage bolt, and that's it. So unless I want to drill holes in the bumper, you know, I'm gonna have to make something. And I think it would be pretty easy. I got some scraps, you know, some metal scraps back there. We can get something kind of welded up, and I think we can make this thing work today. Yeah. Let's go fire up the grinder. Here we go. We got one. It's all welded and reinforced and painted black, and it's super awesome. It fits really nice. It looks okay. Is it the prettiest thing in the world? Not really, but it's easy to take off. So if I don't want to pull the trailer around, super easy to get rid of. I didn't have to drill any holes or fabricate, you know, anything really super crazy. We just used an existing, the existing bolt that's in here for the overriders, and made this basically to just fit right inside there. and takes the original nut. I'm gonna put a lock washer in there, you know, when I final do it. But that just tightens down, and that sits, once it's tight, it kind of sucks it in, and it sits real nice on top of this overrider tight. You know, it's like solid, so it can't really move. And it puts this bolt right in the center of the arm on the trailer, which is exactly what we wanted. So now all we gotta do is build the exact same thing again, but mirrored for the driver's side. And we'll whip through that super quick in super fast motion, just so you don't have to sit here and watch me do the whole thing over again. Then we'll bolt it up and we'll take it for a ride. We'll see how it works. Well, we got them built anyways. I got the trailer on there. It fits on there really, really nice. Everything clears the deck lid, which I'll show you in just a second. But now I have another problem. The wheel in the back, if you could see, if you know anything about these trailers, that wheel's pointing the wrong way. And when you drive forward, it's like a shopping cart. It's supposed to pivot, but it didn't pivot. It's stuck. And I remember when I bought this from Bustamante, he told me, hey man, don't forget to grease that thing. And I was like, all right, but I didn't grease it. And it's been sitting on the side of the house. Now it's stuck. So I'm gonna have to find a way to flip this thing over and get that thing greased before I can drive it, because I can't drive it like that, it wobbles. But let's look in here and we'll look at the brackets. You know, look, you can see right there, I got a nice, I even beefed them up a little bit, kind of tried to make them look nice. We got good clearance with the deck lid. And I mean, overall it doesn't look too bad. Just got to get that wheel flipped around. You know, that's important. The kickstand stays up, that's kind of nice. Need to put some safety chains on there. You know, they don't match, but that's because the deck lid comes up weird. But I mean, look at that German precision right there. Perfect. So I don't know, there it is, that's what it looks like, but with that wheel flipped around. And it'll actually sit a little bit lower in the front to keep that wheel from wop, 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 wop. So, you know, maybe this weekend I'll get in there and grease that, and then we'll take it for a ride and I'll post a video of that for you guys. But until then, you know, we'll just have to say we got it about 90% of the way. You know, they all can't be winners, I guess, but I feel pretty good about it. I mean, it wasn't connected to the car when we tried earlier, and now it is, so, you know, good enough. So educational, sparks flying, hitting that welder, you know. We had a little bit of fun. Anyways, took like 2 freaking days. Look, I got a different shirt on because it's already the next day. It got dark, got late, couldn't do it anymore. So we got it though. So I'll get that thing greased up. We'll post another video. Till then, hit the links down below. Get you a t-shirt, subscribe to the magazines, visit all our friends. Thanks for watching.